Hello! We've just released a new version of Xopero Backup&Restore, which contains a lot of improvements and a new smart virtualization feature. Thanks to the feature, you will be able to start your HDD image backup directly on the backup server as virtual machine. Take a look how it works. In order to use Smart Virtualization feature, you have to install VirtualBox directly on your backup server. It's also recommended to install VirtualBox extension pack, which lets you to connect directly to the virtual machine. Once you install VirtualBox, log into the Management Center application and go to the Smart Recovery feature. Before you will start using this feature, note that you have to perform HDD image backup, because based on this backup, we will be able to create the virtual machine. Click Import Virtual Machine button, and in displayed window you will have two ways of creating the virtual machine. You can create virtual machine based on the backup set, just choose user who performs those kind of backup and the device, and after that you have to select the backup set which covers the HDD image backup. On the other hand, you are able to select prepared or exported HDD image, which is a faster way of creating virtual machine. In the next step, you have to provide the parameters of your virtual machine, such as name, number of cores used by virtual machine, and also RAM. At the end, you have to choose the network type between NAT, bridge, or no network interface, and just click Create. Right now, machine is stopped, but I'm able to start the machine. And once machine is started, I'm able also to connect to the machine over remote desktop connection.